Kita berangkat. Berang-berang bawa tongkat.
Berangkat.
Berangkat. Mangga Mbak Soim.
Welcome to Nature Unveiled, a simple documentary series where we explore the beauty of nature through our own journeys. What you're about to see is far from perfect. We're not professional filmmakers, so you may notice simple camera work, limited angles, and unpolished visuals along the way. But beyond those imperfections, we hope this video offers more than entertainment. Our goal is to share useful information and real experiences that may help you if you ever decide to visit the places featured in this journey. Today, on August 2026, we set out with our family to take a break from our daily routine, spend quality time together, and enjoy the refreshing beauty of nature. Our destination is Raung Gate, a scenic natural attraction located in Sempu District, Banyuwangi Regency, East Java, Indonesia. Our journey begins in Srono District as we travel toward Sempu District. Our destination is Gerbang Raung, a natural tourist destination located in Jambawangi Village, Banyuwangi Regency, East Java, Indonesia. Even though it was already past 7 o'clock in the morning, the air still felt refreshingly cool. We chose to leave early so we could find a comfortable spot and enjoy a relaxing day together as a family. Gerbang Raung has become a favorite destination for nature lovers. Surrounded by lush tropical forest, the area is well known as a peaceful place where visitors come to camp, unwind, and experience the calm atmosphere of the mountains. This is actually our second visit. We enjoyed our first trip so much that we decided to return. And if everything goes according to plan, we hope to spend a night camping here on our next visit to experience nature even more closely. From our home in Srono District, Gerbang Raung is approximately 28 kilometers away, with a driving time of about 30 minutes under normal traffic conditions. Although today is Sunday, not everyone is enjoying a day off. As we continue our journey, we pass many people who have already started their daily activities. Along the road, we see workers heading to their jobs, logistics vehicles delivering essential goods, public transportation serving passengers, and private vehicles traveling to different destinations. Every journey has its own purpose. Some people are going to work, others are running businesses, while many are simply spending quality time with their loved ones. As for us, we're traveling to Gerbang Raung to enjoy a peaceful day surrounded by nature. On this trip, I'm accompanied by my wife, our 2 children, and my mother-in-law. For us, journeys like this are not only about reaching a destination, but also about creating meaningful moments together as a family. If you've ever visited Banyuwangi, this scene may look familiar. Roads gradually becoming busier, local life unfolding in every direction, and the welcoming atmosphere that makes this region feel alive from the very start of the day. As we continue our drive, you may notice countless red and white flags displayed along both sides of the road. They can be seen in front of homes, schools, offices, and local businesses throughout the area. This is because it is August, a very special month for Indonesia. Every year, on August 17th, Indonesians celebrate their Independence Day. In 2026, the country commemorates the 81st anniversary of its independence. A few moments later, we enter Sempu District, where we pass Sempu Railway Station, one of the railway stations serving travelers heading to Banyuwangi. If you're planning to visit Indonesia and explore Banyuwangi, traveling by train is a convenient option. Regular train services connect Jakarta and Surabaya with Banyuwangi, and you can get off at Sempu Railway Station if your destination is Gerbang Raung. From Sempu Railway Station, Gerbang Raung is approximately 4 to 6 kilometers away. The remaining journey can be completed by motorcycle, taxi, or other local transportation in just a short drive. And now, we arrive in Banyuwangi village, the gateway to today's adventure. As we enter Banyuwangi village, the atmosphere becomes noticeably quieter and more peaceful. Shady trees line both sides of the road, creating a refreshing drive through the beautiful rural landscape. From the Banyuwangi village office, Gerbang Raung is approximately 3 kilometers away. Since much of the route follows village roads, it's best to drive carefully and at a moderate speed to ensure safety for both residents and fellow travelers. Although this is a rural area, the road infrastructure leading to Gerbang Raung is generally in good condition. Under normal circumstances, it is easily accessible by both motorcycles and cars. Along the way, expansive rice fields stretch across both sides of the road. During our visit, local farmers were preparing their fields for the next rice planting season. One of the region's greatest advantages is its abundant water supply. Supported by an efficient irrigation system, many rice fields here can produce 3 to 4 harvests each year, making agriculture an essential part of the local community and economy. As we get closer to our destination, the scenery becomes even more relaxing. Cool mountain air, gentle breezes, green rice fields, towering trees, and traditional village homes blend together into a landscape that feels peaceful and welcoming. Moments like these remind us that nature doesn't need to be extraordinary to be beautiful. Sometimes its greatest charm lies in its quiet simplicity. A few minutes later, we arrive at the entrance to Gerbang Raung. Before entering the recreation area, visitors are required to purchase an entrance ticket. At the time of our visit, the admission fee was very affordable, approximately $10,000 Indonesian rupiah per person for a day visit. Visitors planning to stay overnight or camp were charged around 25,000 Indonesian rupiah per person, while vehicle parking cost approximately 5,000 Indonesian rupiah. For such a modest budget, visitors can experience the peaceful atmosphere of a natural forest, fresh mountain air, and the relaxing environment that makes Gerbang Raung a favorite destination for nature lovers.
Bagaimana kita merencanakan ireng yang sangat ireng. Iki sing anu, sing ngomong nyewa tenda. Kayak tulisannya Gerbang Raung.
After entering Gerbang Raung, we continued toward the easternmost area near the river. In our opinion, this part of the park offers a quieter atmosphere and is an ideal place to relax with family. Since we arrived early in the morning, there were still very few visitors. The peaceful surroundings allowed us to fully appreciate the sounds of nature and the fresh mountain air. Beyond its beautiful natural forest, one of the things we appreciated most was how clean the area was. Throughout our visit, we saw cleaning staff working diligently to keep the environment tidy and comfortable for everyone. One of the staff members, Rosalina, told us that Gerbang Raung is divided into 4 camping areas, and each area is maintained by a team of 3 cleaning staff who help preserve the site's cleanliness every day. Before we continued our journey, Rosalina shared a warm invitation for travelers from around the world to visit Indonesia, especially Banyuwangi, and experience the natural beauty of Gerbang Raung for themselves.
Halo, saya tim berpihak Gerbang Raung. Di sini saya satu campnya 3 orang. Di sini camp 4. Monggo yang mau hadir ke sini, datang ke Indonesia ya. Halo.
Choosing the area at the far end of Gerbang Raung offers a different experience. Here, we felt even closer to nature, surrounded by towering trees, refreshing mountain air, and the soothing sound of clear water flowing through the river. For anyone looking to escape the demands of everyday life, this peaceful corner provides the perfect setting to relax and reconnect with nature. During our visit, we also had the opportunity to speak with Haji Suladi, SPD MPD, a retired school principal from Kluring, Banyuwangi. He shared that he feels proud to have been born and raised in Indonesia, a country blessed with abundant natural resources, extraordinary biodiversity, and breathtaking landscapes. In his view, places like Gerbang Raung are valuable natural treasures that deserve to be protected and preserved for future generations.
Halo, saya bangga menjadi bangsa Indonesia yang punya wisata alam di Gerbang Raung, Banyuwangi. Siapa yang ingin tahu, silakan datang ke sini. Suatu ketika Anda akan menemukan pintu Gerbang Raung ini sebagai wisata yang sudah sampai kemana-mana ini ya.
For Haji Suladi and his family, Gerbang Raung is an ideal place to spend quality time with children and grandchildren. Its peaceful, natural surroundings offer the perfect escape after a busy week of daily activities. Nature has a remarkable way of revealing beauty, sometimes in places that remain largely undiscovered. Banyuwangi is one of those destinations, offering countless natural wonders waiting to be explored. Beyond its lush forest and crystal-clear river, Gerbang Raung is also home to a waterfall, adding another beautiful attraction to this remarkable natural landscape. If you ever have the opportunity to visit Banyuwangi, we hope your journey will be filled with unforgettable memories. Along with its breathtaking scenery, the region also offers a rich cultural heritage, unique traditional arts, and a variety of local dishes that are well worth experiencing.
Gerbang Raung.
The natural beauty of Banyuwangi is always ready to welcome every traveler. From mountains and forests to waterfalls, beaches, and countless other attractions, each destination offers its own unique story and unforgettable experience. Beyond Gerbang Raung, Banyuwangi is home to many internationally recognized destinations, including the Jawatan, Ijen Crater, Red Island Beach, Alas Purwo National Park, and many more remarkable places waiting to be explored. Thank you for joining us on this simple journey. We know this documentary is far from perfect, and we're not professional filmmakers. Even so, we sincerely hope it has inspired you, informed you, and encouraged you to discover the incredible natural beauty of Indonesia. Until our next adventure, thank you for watching Nature Unveiled. Come and discover Banyuwangi, Indonesia, where happiness awaits you.